Hi guys, let's unbox my Splat toy. I have here Laful. This is Laful. So let's unbox it. This is how it looks. Ah! Oh, look. Laful. This is the original shape. See? Ah. See? So it? You saw it?
So satisfying.
Yes, so satisfying. It removes the tension and stress. I feel like it's a stress ball. Oh, Laful. Distorted Laful.
Makabalik din pala siya.
And it will return to its original shape.
Like this one.
Like this one. See? Can you see it? Olivia likes to play with this one. She looks also like a splat head. See? So this is my current splat heads. Until our next unboxing. Bye!